Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can set up Stripe with ACH payments. So let's jump right in. Once you're inside the Stripe dashboard, you'll land on the main homepage. If you haven't visited in a while, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. From here, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Settings. This section contains all the configuration options for your Stripe account. Next, within the Settings page, find and click on Payments under the Product Settings category. This is where you'll manage your available payment options. Inside the Payments section, click on Payment Methods. Here, you'll see a list of all the payment methods supported by Stripe. What we're focusing on today is ACH Direct Debit, a secure and reliable method that lets customers pay directly from their bank accounts. Scroll down the list until you find the ACH Direct Debit section. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll a bit, just take your time. Once you locate it, you'll see a toggle switch or activation button next to ACH Direct Debit. Go ahead and turn it on. This action enables ACH payments for your account, allowing you to begin accepting bank-to-bank transactions almost immediately.